Rarest and most expensive Lego minifigures. Number 5. The Lego Minifigure Series 10 Mr. Gold, worth $1,786. Number 4. The Lego exclusive Iron Man and Captain America, worth $1,900. Number 3. The Lego Black Suit Superman, valued at $2,117. Number 2. The 14-karat gold C-3PO, ranging from $10,000 to $15,000. And finally, number 1. The Boba Fett collection. With only 2 14-karat gold Boba Fett minifigures in existence, experts estimate the value to be worth well over $20,000.